Welcome back to Home Voyage Inspirations channel. In this video, we're diving into the timeless charm of rustic Mediterranean exterior house design. If you are a fan of warm textures, earthy tones, and architecture inspired by sun-soaked coastal living, you're in for a treat. So, let's explore how you can bring this exquisite style to life in your own home. At the heart of rustic Mediterranean design are natural materials. Think stone facades, stucco finishes, and terracotta tiles. These elements not only add visual interest but also help your home blend seamlessly with the surrounding environment, mimicking the old-world charm of traditional European villages. Another hallmark of this style is the use of arched doorways and windows, often framed with wrought iron detailing. These features create a sense of grandeur while maintaining a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Landscaping plays a crucial role. Picture lush courtyards adorned with olive trees, bougainvillea vines, and hand-painted ceramic tiles. These outdoor spaces are designed to be extensions of your home, perfect for enjoying the Mediterranean lifestyle of al fresco dining and relaxation. And of course, no Mediterranean home is complete without a spacious terrace or balcony. Add a pergola draped with natural vines to create shade and ambience, also making it the perfect spot to enjoy breathtaking sunsets. From timeless materials to lush outdoor spaces, Rustic Mediterranean Design offers a blend of elegance and warmth. Whether you are planning a new build or a renovation, these ideas can transform your home into a retreat that feels like a Mediterranean getaway. Thank you for watching this video. If you love these ideas, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exterior and interior design inspiration. And see you in the next time.